are here tonight at our first ever Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. We were greeted with this little trick-or-treat bag because, yeah, that's right, we get to trick-or-treat today as many times as we want. There is no limit.
The limit does not exist.
And it's not just for children. We're so excited to see the rides which have the special Halloween overlays, look at the exclusive event merchandise, watch the special shows, and of course try the food. Yeah, exactly. Come along with us. So there's plenty to do here at Mickey's Not So Scary. A lot of rides, a lot of food you can try, but to be honest, we're going to start off by looking for any single treat sign that we can find and go trick-or-treating because we've never done that before. In Australia, we don't do that. So we're taking advantage of it for sure. Hopefully our luggage allowance allows us to bring home kilos and kilos of treats.
Kilos and kilos of
Treats.
treats. More candy time.
Time to get more Guys, some of the rides here on Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween night are differently themed to how they are usually. So for example, Space Mountain is completely dark. You might as well have your eyes closed, that's how dark it is. I would stand on the ride like this, looking for any sign of light, and there wasn't any. And there was also different sounds too. And I believe there's another ride that is differently themed that we're going to check out soon.
They say he's tired of spending time. He's got it to make us swap. So he rides one night here, find it in the hollow here.
The parade's on in the background, so I'm going to talk quick. We stopped for some food and I went with the Halloween special. It's called the Spellbinding Fried Pie. As you can see, it's got a spooky little eye on it, and they describe it as buffalo chicken, mozzarella, blue cheese, wrapped in flaky dough, topped with a candy eye and jalapeno ranch aioli. It's interesting. I was going to say the jalapeno ranch aioli is like really overpowering, but then you get the taste of blue cheese inside. It's not bad, it's just interesting. Three things we definitely knew we had to hit up at this party tonight. Obviously the trick-or-treat stations, the parade, and the fireworks. We've just seen the fireworks show and it definitely did not disappoint. So many fireworks for a show that's put on for a special event, so that was super impressive. And it was just a really, really fun show with the projections on the castle as well. We're now sitting waiting to watch the parade, the Booty Parade, which we are super excited about. We've heard such good things, and we're hoping to see the Headless Horseman just before the parade as well, so that should be pretty cool. Okay, we just finished up with the Boo to You parade. It was pretty good actually. Saw a lot of characters that you wouldn't normally see during the day parade here at the Magic Kingdom, and some really good kind of actors in between each of the main floats, which was also really, really cool. So we definitely enjoyed that. The other ride that we've heard has a Halloween touch is Pirates of the Caribbean, and rumour has it that they actually have live actors in the ride, so we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, I was drunk and walking through an art museum, and then I walked through one of the paintings, and so I got framed. So that's how I ended up here.
Alright. Anyone have any valuables? Any treasure? Do you have anything? No! Why not? What are you doing with your life?
Hi there! Welcome to Tortuga's very first cat cafe. We got two very nice drunk cats. Just that we asked for a small fee of treasure.
A donation if
If
you
you would
wish.
like to enter. You're handing it up, but you're a little far away. We appreciate
That ends our first ever Disney Halloween experience. What do you think, Space? It was very good. It's a short amount of time to get a lot done in, so we didn't get through everything we would have liked to. While you can get in the park at 4 PM with your ticket, the actual party doesn't kick off till 7 and finishes at midnight. So it sounds like a late night, but I mean there was so much more we could have done, but we enjoyed what we did do. Yeah, I mean having said that, we did 2 rides, we got to see a show, a parade, and lots of trick-or-treating, of course. Lots of trick-or-treating. We're going to leave you with us counting how much food we got and potentially even weighing it as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Just so you know, this is 3 people's worth of Halloween candy. And we didn't even go to every trick-or-treat station, and we didn't go through the same one twice. So this gives you an idea of how much you should get at least when you go through almost all of them. 3.63 kilos of candy. Where are we going to put all of this? This is amazing!